Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys another video in my Ayurvedic growth series. Now today we're going to be talking about my dear friend Fenugreek Seeds. Now Fenugreek Seeds are really awesome for hair growth, and I'm going to tell you why in just a second, but it really kind of surprised me how I had never heard of these before. Now they are considered part of, Ayurvedic herbs and things like that to help grow hair, so that's why it's part of my Ayurvedic growth series. But when I was transitioning to natural, I learned a lot about Ayurvedic oils and treatments and herbs and things like that, and while I wasn't consistent with it, I came across a lot of different ones, and for some reason fenugreek never came across my radar. Now if you're looking at my bag trying to figure out why it's empty, it's because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my fenugreek hair spritz. So fenugreek seeds, also known as Methi seeds, are rich in hormones that promote hair growth and hair regrowth, which is already like number one on the list. Like, we trying to grow our hair, we can check that box because it's rich in a hormone that's literally for growing your hair. It strengthens your hair shaft, and it prevents breakage, shedding, and hair fall, which is like one of the main things that I've noticed that's consistent among a lot of Ayurvedic herbs and treatments is they are good for reducing shedding and unnecessary hair fall, which in turn will mean you're retaining your length, your hair is growing, and it's getting longer. It adds shine to your hair. Now, I don't know if you guys can see my hair right now, but I have already spritzed it with my Fenugreek Spritz for today, and my hair is dry, but it looks like, it kind of looks like it's wet, but it's just shiny and bouncy, and the curls look awesome, and that is from the Fenugreek Spritz. It reduces hair thinning and it thickens your hair. So if hair thinning is something you've had a problem with, or maybe postpartum hair loss or any kind of things like that, Fenugreek Spritz would be great for you to spritz onto your hair and your scalp to reduce that hair thinning and thicken your hair back. It also makes your hair soft, so my hair feels very soft right now, which whoever wants to use anything that makes their hair hard, like, just keep it. It promotes overall healthy hair, and it's very nourishing for your hair. So what I'm going to show you guys today is how to make the Fenugreek hair spritz. It's very easy to do. You only really need a few things, which is the Fenugreek seeds, a spray bottle of your choice, and cool water, and then of course a bowl and something to start with. So let's go ahead and get into how to make this spritz. Guys, so once you've made the spritz, you should have something awesome like this. My Fenugreek Seeds spritz is in here. I've got my nozzle set to exactly where it needs to be so I get a spritz and not like a stream. And basically what you want to do is just spray it all over your hair and ensuring you're getting it on your scalp as well. And you just kind of want to massage it in. And then because it is very moisturizing, you want to make sure you follow up with some type of sealant or something like that to seal your hair with it. I'm going to be using this spritz every single day, once a day, in between my henna treatments. Now I do my henna treatments once a month, and of course I will link below the 2 that I've already done for you guys. So in between those, I'm not going to spritz my hair with this on the day that I do the henna treatment, but in between those I will be spraying my hair with this. The shelf life on this is about 2 weeks. You do need to refrigerate it, but overall, this is going to be really, really good. I'm really excited. The one thing you should know, you will smell like breakfast. Fenugreek seeds kind of smell like maple syrup or like, I don't know, pancakes. They really kind of smell like breakfast foods, so keep in mind when you spray your hair with this, you will smell like a breakfast dish. I followed up with a serum that actually has a pretty strong scent, so I'm not sure if I smell like breakfast right now. I definitely could smell it when I was spraying my hair with this spritz. Not that I minded, because I kind of like the way it smelled, but that's just something to keep in mind. I am very, very excited to get into this part of my routine, and hopefully we'll really start to see some positive growth. Now, I realized that I never actually shared with you guys what my current routine is for my hair since I've started my Ayurveda growth series. So I'm actually going to film a video on that and share that with you guys, so you guys have an overview of what I'm going to be doing with my hair, and you're not just like, okay, she did henna 1 month and now all of a sudden her hair grew, like what's going on? So I'm going to do that in another video for you guys, just so you have an overall idea, because I'm realizing that I'm introducing you guys to all these different Ayurvedic treatments and herbs and things like that, but I'm not telling you really like in what ways I'm doing them and how I'm incorporating all of them into my regular routine for this growth series, besides the henna, which you know that I do once a month. So I'm going to do that in a different video, but of course, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have questions about this Fenugreek Spritz, go ahead and comment down below and I will get back to you guys. And of course, I will link below where you can get Fenugreek seeds and everything you need for this mixture. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.